Today at Rosen's Auto Fab, we broke some shit, and we were building a windshield for this thing, but the transmission is more important. So we're gonna get this tranny out of here. So it's a fun job of removing the 3/8 thick skid plates. Got the two bottom ones off. Got some leaks too, I guess we'll have to take care of while it's out. So get all the plates off, we'll get the side ones off just so we got better access. And then we'll pull the drive shafts, and we'll pull the shifters off, pull the 205 off, pull that crossbar out, and get the tranny out. And this one I'm probably gonna take over to the shop because I got a buddy who's a pro, and I've been fighting the second gear engine braking with this thing. I don't know what else to do. Plus, seems like reverse is kind of an issue. I got another buddy he's burned up his reverse band twice, so I'm gonna talk to him and see if there's like some super duper badass drum and band combo that holds really well. So it was working in double low, I could back up, so we kind of babied it all day and got off the mountain. But in high range, there was just nothing. So anyway, stay tuned, we'll get this tranny out of here. Skid plates, those two are, you know where those go, but these four are almost identical except for the bolt holes. So I'm gonna get these I'm gonna stamp them front right, front left, etc. Because the last time it's kind of a biatch figuring out which ones went where, and they're kind of heavy to hold up there and fuck around with bolts and such. So here we go. We're going to do that on the fab table. After we get them off. Good and fit. Put the stamp on the back side so that we don't scrape the letters off. Yeah. Okay. Makes everything go so smooth the next time. Those are loose. Interesting. One there, one there. first time, make sure you got a couple bolts in it, because you get fucking summer teeth real easy. Summer here, summer there, summer teeth. Oh, he's scared. Yeah, just pulled the 205 out in the doubler all by myself. Didn't have any help from anybody. Didn't spill a drop either. First time that's ever happened. So next we'll get the tranny out and continue to not spill any oil and not get any help from this guy. Transmission. Th400. Get that baby over to the shop today. I think it's still early enough. Drive-line's really slinging the grease on her. Everything looks kind of weird. This is the vent. Looks like it's... That could have been from when I rolled it, though. Anyway, we'll take this over to the tranny guy and let the professionals do this one. Oh, yeah, a little shot underneath. That got coped out for the drive shaft. Anyway, that's what the back of a old shitty 5.3 looks like. Looks like we got an oil leak. Interesting. We'll have to see what's going on there. That looks like a rear main. Nice and clean right there. Maybe we got crankcase ventilation problems with the supercharger. Something we're gonna have to dig into.